You're pouring premium, full synthetic oil into your engine, paying more, expecting more, trusting it to protect the most expensive part of your car. But what if two oils with the exact same label, both saying full synthetic, are built on completely different chemistry? And one of them quietly breaks down faster under heat, stress, and time, while the other keeps your engine alive for hundreds of thousands of miles. Stay with me, because this is the part most drivers never get told. 1. Castrol Edge Full Synthetic. Castrol Edge is one of the most recognized oils on the market, and everything about it screams high performance. Formula One connections, bold claims, premium pricing, advanced sounding technology. It's positioned as the oil you choose when you don't want to compromise. But here's where the contrast hits. The image suggests cutting-edge synthetic engineering, yet the base oil inside is primarily Group III, refined petroleum that's been heavily processed, not fully built molecule by molecule in a lab. Now, to be fair, this doesn't make it bad oil. The additive package is strong, the certifications are legitimate, and for normal driving, it protects your engine perfectly well. But the disconnect is in expectation. You're paying a price that implies true synthetic chemistry while receiving something closer to highly refined oil enhanced by additives. And once you see that gap, you start to question everything else on the shelf. 2. The ruling that changed everything. To really understand this, you need to know how we got here. Motor oil is built on base stocks, and they fall into 5 groups. Groups 1, 2, and 3 all come from crude oil, just refined to different levels. Groups 4 and 5 are different. They're chemically engineered from scratch. That's what synthetic originally meant. Back when synthetic oil first hit the market, it referred to Group IV PAO, uniform molecules, consistent structure, and far better performance under extreme heat and stress. Then came a legal battle in the late 1990s that changed everything. The decision allowed Group III oil, refined petroleum, to be labeled as synthetic because of how much it had been processed. And that single shift opened the door for the entire industry. Now, companies could produce oil at a lower cost, label it as full synthetic, and sell it at premium pricing. From a business standpoint, it made perfect sense. From a consumer standpoint, it created confusion that still exists today, because now the label alone doesn't tell you what you're actually buying. 3. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic. Valvoline is a brand built on trust, history, and consistency. For decades, that reputation was backed by formulations that matched the expectations of serious drivers. But today, the situation is different. The current advanced full synthetic line primarily uses Group III base stocks, and here's where the contrast becomes important. The branding still carries that legacy of premium engineering, but the chemistry inside has shifted. No major announcement, no clear signal to the everyday buyer, just a quiet change behind the scenes. The oil still performs well for standard driving. It protects engines, meets certifications, and does its job. But the question becomes deeper than performance. Are you buying what the product is today or what the brand used to represent? Because in this case, those two things are no longer the same. 4. Quaker State Ultimate Durability Full Synthetic. Ultimate durability sounds like the highest level of protection you can get. It sets an expectation that your engine is getting the absolute best defense against wear, heat, and breakdown. But once again, the reality is more nuanced. The base oil here is also Group III. It's refined, cleaned, improved, but still derived from crude oil. And yet, the branding pushes a message of top-tier performance. Now, like the others, this oil works. For daily driving, regular oil changes, and normal conditions, it will protect your engine just fine. But the contrast lies in the promise versus the foundation. Because when you hear ultimate, you're thinking peak engineering, not refined petroleum dressed up with marketing. And that difference matters more when your engine is under stress. 5. Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic. Now this is where things get more interesting. Pennzoil Platinum is not the same as the others we've talked about so far, and it deserves a more careful look. Instead of starting with crude oil, it uses a gas-to-liquid process, taking natural gas and converting it into a highly pure base oil. That creates something cleaner, more consistent, and closer in behavior to true synthetic than standard Group III oils. So here's the contrast. It's still not the same as full PAO synthetic, but it performs better than conventional Group III. It sits somewhere in between, closer to synthetic in behavior, but not identical in chemistry. And this is where many drivers get confused, because the label says the same thing as every other bottle, full synthetic, but the actual product is meaningfully different. Better than most, but still not the top tier. 6. Store brands. Superte, Amazon Basics, and Kirkland Signature, these oils are often overlooked, but they reveal something important about the market. They're priced much lower, yet they carry the same full synthetic label, and that immediately raises a question. If they're truly the same as premium oils, why the massive price difference? The answer is simple. They're Group III. But here's the interesting part. Unlike premium brands, they don't try to position themselves as elite. The pricing actually reflects what you're getting. And in a strange way, that makes them more honest. For normal driving and regular oil changes, they're perfectly adequate. Your engine isn't going to fail because you used them. But the key is understanding what they are and what they're not. Because once you assume all synthetic oils are equal, you lose the ability to make a smart decision.
Number 7. Quick Lube chain house brands. This is where things get more serious from a financial standpoint. When you go to a Quick Lube shop and pay for a full synthetic oil change, you're not just buying oil, you're buying a service. And the oil they use is typically sourced in bulk, branded in-house, and almost always Group III. The issue isn't that it's bad oil, the issue is transparency. Most customers are never told exactly what's going into their engine. They hear full synthetic, assume premium quality, and pay accordingly. But the reality is, the shop is maximizing margins by using cost-effective formulations, and unless you ask specific questions, you'll never know the difference. So next time you're there, ask yourself, are you paying for convenience or for quality? Because those two don't always align. Number 8. Valvoline Instant Oil Change Service Center versus retail. This is a detail that catches a lot of people off guard. Valvoline as a retail brand and Valvoline as a service center are not the same thing. The oil you buy off the shelf and the oil used in service locations can differ in formulation. Both may be labeled full synthetic, both may be Group III, but they are not necessarily identical products. And here's where the confusion comes in. People trust the brand, assume consistency, and expect the same quality across the board. But in reality, service center oils are often optimized for bulk use and cost efficiency. So again, it comes back to awareness, because if you don't know what's going into your engine, you can't make an informed decision about its protection. Number 9. Ravenol Standard Synthetic Lines. Ravenol has a strong reputation, especially among enthusiasts who associate it with German engineering and high-performance formulations. And to be fair, some of their products absolutely live up to that reputation. Their premium lines use true synthetic base stocks and deliver exceptional performance. But their standard synthetic lines tell a different story. These use Group III base oils, despite carrying the same branding and visual identity. And this creates a subtle but important contrast. The name suggests premium chemistry, but the actual product depends on the specific line you choose. If you know what you're looking for, you can get top-tier oil. If you don't, you might end up with something very different, all under the same brand. Number 10. ENEOS Full Synthetic US Market. ENEOS has built a strong following, especially among import car owners who associate it with Japanese engineering and quality, and that perception carries weight. But in the US market, the formulations are primarily Group III. The oil performs well, the quality control is solid, and for everyday driving, it does the job. But again, the contrast is between perception and reality. People expect something closer to true synthetic chemistry because of the brand's reputation. What they're actually getting is refined petroleum enhanced with additives, and unless you dig into the details, you'd never know the difference.